what happens if I total my car and then I get paid out on my car from the insurance company and I need to go buy another car? What do most people do with that insurance check when they go buy their next car? What do they do with that insurance check? This is going to be lovely. I got an insurance check because my car got totaled. What do people do with that insurance check when they go buy their next car? Norman says they make a down payment on the new car. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put in $50,000 car. We're going to put it at 4% interest. And here's the other thing, folks. All right. Do not lower the term when you're getting the car. I want to get the car as many months as they'll give me. All right. 84 is generally the max, 84 months. Some people can't get 84, but on most new cars, you can get 84 months and get this loan for 84 months, but we're still going to pay it off early. So if I can pay off a house in 7 years, you know I can pay off a car a lot sooner than that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it in for 84 months. Okay, $50,000 for 84 months at 4% interest. The payment is $683.44. So we're going to open up a new tab and we're going to duplicate this tab. Now, somebody says, I got a check for $20,000. So if I got a check for $20,000, I can take that $50,000 and I'm going to put $20,000 down. So I'm going to get $30,000. I'll have a loan for $30,000 at 4% for 84 months. All right. By putting $20,000 down, here's my payment. Ooh, $410 a month versus $683. Oh man, that's like $270 cheaper each month. Okay. Now, but remember, it's for 84 months. Watch this. All right. So what we're saying is, do we put down a down payment and get this $410 for 84 months? Or do we keep the money back and have this $50,000 loan? Now, here's what I'm saying. Get the $50,000 loan, right? Look at this. I also need to point this out. Now, at $50,000, all right, the total amount of interest that we're going to pay on this loan is $7,408.96. If we get the $30,000 loan, okay, now this is going to be some good math. We're going to cut that down to $4,445.04. $4,445.04. Watch this. We're going to watch that and we're going to do a little bit of math here. So I'm saying, why don't we do this? Get the $50,000 loan. All right. We still have our $20,000. When we make the first payment, do you know we can prepay the $20,000? So if we do that, that would go over here in the cumulative principal line, and we pay the $20,000. We go immediately in the first month down to $20,000. We knock off 3 years off that loan instantly. How much interest did we just save? $4,973.52 of, watch this now, watch this. Okay. Da, 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 da. 50,000. Now they wanted $7,400. Okay. This is great. This is great. I'm going to bring up my calculator. Okay. They wanted $7,408.96. All right. By putting $20,000 as a prepayment on this loan, we just saved ourselves $4,872.62. So let's subtract $4,872.62. All right. Boom. Now all we have to pay in interest is $25.3634. If we had put it as a down payment on the $30,000 loan, here's how much interest they would have wanted. $4,445. We're already paying less interest. Watch this, bring it back. We're already at 25, 36, 34. That's how much interest we have left if we don't do anything else except make the minimum payments on this loan. That's all the interest we're going to pay. So why would you ever put it as a down payment when you could put it down as a prepayment and only have $2,500 in interest left to pay, as opposed to putting down a down payment and start a $30,000 car loan on payment number 1 for 84 months? Wow. Take your insurance check and put it down as a prepayment on your car loan. Never use it as a down payment on your car loan.
But Don has some valuable information that can contribute to the quality of a person's life. And it only costs you a few dollars. It's his book. Why not get that?
I'm going to go through the P.I.L. method myself with some of my investment properties. So I'm going to link up with Don, and then I'm going to sit down with him, show him my investment portfolio, and see how I can eliminate interest.